Welcome to Research Hacks with Queen Bee. Today we're going to talk about keywords.
Keywords are the words, terms, or phrases that we type into a search box in Google or a library database in order to receive articles, images, or other types of information for our research project. Typing in just one keyword and stopping there means that we miss out on a lot of valuable information. Typing in lots of different keywords is key to our success in finding the information we're looking for. Many students are tempted to type in an entire question in a search box such as Google or a library database. Sometimes we get good results when we try this strategy in Google. Google has the technology needed in order to get rid of those extra words like should and to, be, and, etc. Unfortunately, library databases don't have that type of robust technology. They're not capable of getting rid of the extra words. So what we end up with frequently is no results found. Sometimes we end up with a few results and we give up thinking that the databases don't have anything about our topic, when in reality, the databases have thousands of articles relevant to our topic. So how do we get from our research question to the keywords that we need in order to be successful in finding information about our topic? The best place to start is to look at your research question. Identify 2 or 3 really important terms or phrases. In this question, we've pulled out the words gun control, laws, and assault. If we were to try searching 1, 2, or all 3 of these words in our library databases, we would have much better results. We could also try this in Google, and it would improve our Google search results as well. Let's take this a step further. We can vastly improve our search results if we brainstorm words that mean the same thing or very similar as the words that we've previously identified. Gun control means almost the same thing as firearm regulations and gun rights. Be aware that terms like gun control and gun rights have an implied bias. You are more likely to get results in favor of laws controlling or preventing gun ownership and gun use when you use the term gun control. And you're more likely to get results that are in favor of protecting an individual's right to own and bear arms if you use the term gun rights. It's a good idea when you're researching a pro-con issue to use a balance of both types of terms. It's also a great idea to brainstorm related terms that might not mean the same thing as some of the terms you've already identified, but might be really important aspects of your topic. These are also great places to list subtopics. All right, let's put some of these keywords to practice in one of our library databases. Every different keyword will give us a different number of results. We can see that every time we put a different combination of keywords, it's sort of like an experiment. We'll see which ones work best and which ones don't work as well. Gun control, for example, gives us more results than gun rights, which leads us to believe it is the more commonly used keyword. Assault weapons gives us more results than assault rifles. In fact, we can actually look at the descriptions of each article and find some keywords that may be more commonly used, or at least may be worth checking out and adding to our keyword list. We see the term assault weapons in many of the descriptions of the articles here, which lets us know, hey, maybe we should try it. Actually, it worked better than assault rifles. We can even hone in further and get more detailed by adding a third keyword, such as laws or bans, which it turns out gives us more results. It's a great idea to add the additional keywords that you find throughout the research process to your list. For example, we just added the terms assault weapons and ban, which we found were really effective when we searched EBSCOhost. So, Why do you need so many different keywords? You actually use different types of keywords when you're going through different stages of the research process. At the beginning, you're just looking for a general topic overview to help you understand the background information about your topic. So you'll use general or broad keywords such as gun control or gun rights. Next, you'll explore those different subtopics such as self-defense or background checks in order to understand the details about specific topics so that you can decide which ones you want to write about or present about. After you've made those decisions, you're ready for step 3. You'll use really specific keywords here to hone in on the different subtopics, details, points of view, or statistics about your topic. Today we've been focusing our strategy on a pro-con topic, but the truth is, you can use this strategy with any topic. You can also use it with any database, and you can use it to up your Google game to be able to find information. You can actually adapt the strategy that we just learned just slightly in order to make it work really well for history topics. Instead of thinking about broad keywords like we did before, for history topics we can actually brainstorm into the following 5 categories: who, what, when, where, and why. Let's look at this further. Here, we've taken keywords related to the broad topic, the Holocaust, and actually divided it up into those 5 words. We can use these different words not only as keywords, but also as a way to actually narrow down your topic further if you have found that you've chosen a topic that's way too broad. Now it's your turn. Get out a piece of notebook paper or open up a Google Doc and start brainstorming keywords for your topic. Remember to add new keywords as you research and try different combinations of keywords in the different databases and search interfaces such as Google that you use. A lot of students want to skip this step, but I promise you it will save you time and frustration and will definitely be worth your while.